Hannah, sing your song.
What do you sing with this?
Happy birthday to you.
You sing it. Happy birthday to you.
Candle.
That is a candle. Is it your birthday?
Red.
Red, a red candle. You sing happy birthday?
Red.
Yeah, it's a red candle.
Red candle.
Can you sing happy birthday?
Happy birthday to you.
Good job.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Oh,
What, baby?
Mommy. Oh.
Yeah, did mommy's phone ring?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, it dropped.
Daddy Pink.
No, don't feed that to Dottie, Hannah. Too late.
What'd she feed her?
I don't know what she said.
Candle.
She said Dottie Pink and handed it. You sing the song one more time, Hannah?
Pink. Red.
You
Sing
happy birthday.
Day to you. Happy birthday to you.
Candle.
Good job.
Hannah, can you say bye-bye to the camera?
You say bye-bye to Daddy.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Dad.
Bye-bye, Hannah.